Students, in this video we are going to find the answers for the appreciation questions and ERC from the book back exercises in the page number 21. In this part, even late bloomers can score 8 out of 8 if know the meaning for each and every line of the poem. In our examination question pattern, 2 or 3 poem lines will be there. Below that, questions will be asked related to that. Actually, it's very easy to answer the appreciation questions. For that, first we have to read the poem lines and understand the meaning or concept of the lines. Then we have to read the questions carefully and answer according to the poem meaning. Let us move to the appreciation question. I read the poem lines. All through the summer at ease we lay, and daily from the turret wall we watch the mowers in the hay. First question, who does we refer to? Again we have to read the first line. All through that summer at ease we lay. So, we soldiers. The answer is we refers to the soldiers. Second question, how did the soldiers spend the summer days? The soldiers spent the summer days totally relaxed. Second question, how did the soldiers spend the summer days? The soldiers spend the summer days totally stress-free and relaxed. Third question, what could they watch from the turret wall? Very easy. They could watch the mowers in the hay. Second appreciation, our gates were strong and our walls were thick, so smooth and high, no man could win. First question, how safe was the castle? How safe? Answer, the gates were strong, the walls were thick and high. Second question, what was the firm belief of the soldiers? What was the firm belief of the soldiers? The firm belief of the soldiers was no man could enter the castle. Third appreciation, a foothold there, no clever trick could take us dead or quick, only a bird could have got in. First question, what was challenging? Climbing the high walls of the castle was challenging. Second question, which aspects of the castle's strength is conveyed by the above lines? No one could enter the gate, but only a bird could have got in. This aspect of the castle's strength is conveyed by the above lines. Fourth appreciation, oh, then our maze of tunneled stones grew thin and treacherous as air. The castle was lost without a groan, the famous citadel overthrown. First question, bring out the contrast in the first 2 lines. Contrast, opposite ideas. In the first line, maze of tunneled stones means very strong. In the second line, grew thin means very weak. Very strong, very weak. This was the contrast in the first 2 lines. Second question, what happened to the castle? Very simple, the castle was captured by the enemies. The last appreciation, we could do nothing being sold. Why couldn't they do anything? They could not do anything because they were sold by the warder. Why did they feel helpless? They felt helpless as they were betrayed by the old god. His misdeed was unexpected and made the soldiers totally innocent. Our next topic is ERC. ERC, explain with reference to the context. In this part, poem lines alone will be there. We have to find out the poem and poet, then should give the explanation of the given lines. First ERC, they seemed no threat to us at all. We know well this line is taken from the poem The Castle, written by Edwin Muir. Explanation: the narrator expressed his confidence about the strength of the castle. Though his enemies were half a mile away, they were not a threat to his army. The narrator trusted the strength of the castle and his fellow soldiers. Second ERC, how can this shameful tale be told? The line is taken from The Castle, written by Edwin Muir. Explanation: the narrator lamented how their castle was captured, though it had strong gates, sufficient food, and brave captain. It was because of the greedy, disloyal warder who got gold as bribe. The narrator felt that it was the shameful act and worried how this shameful defeat could be told to others. Third ERC, I will maintain until my death. This line is taken from The Castle, written by Edwin Muir. Explanation: the castle was captured by bribing the warder with gold. The narrator felt that it was the shameful act and worried how this shameful defeat could be told to others. So he assured that he would maintain the secret of their defeat until his death. The last ERC, our only enemy was gold. This line is taken from The Castle, written by Edwin Muir. Explanation: the narrator found the real reason for their defeat. He felt that the gold got as bribe by the warder was the real enemy. The narrator believed that their only enemy was gold. Thank you.